fucking.
Alright.
So I picked up a new car. I think it's Sunday. Whew. Dumped all my money into it. It's great. It's Mercedes V8 5.0. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's quick.
Quietest V8 on earth.
Yeah.
Full air ride.
Yep. It's got everything. It's got the moonroof and fancy. But it's not gonna stay stock for long. You know how it goes.
Yeah.
He's gonna get wheels. Oh shit, he's gonna get wheels.
Oh, are you serious? You need some burners?
No.
That's the same lug pattern as mine.
I don't know if she'll burn it, dude.
We're about to find out. We're about to find out.
Alright, let's go.
Sport mode.
He's been working, okay?
I got a job.
Okay,
I'll show you the post.
For 2K.
Yeah.
How much
No,
was
he wanted 23. He didn't go down on the price either.
So you paid 23?
No, I paid 2,000. He didn't go down where I wanted him to. I paid 21.
Oh, does it have... Oh, those arrows shift up and down?
No, it's right here.
Oh.
You already know where we're going. Who road?
Like it, dude.
How the fuck you turn back?
How do you open? Do they
Why
open?
are all these lights
I don't
on?
know.
Well, why?
Turn them off.
You got it.
There we go.
Got it. Yeah, this shit right here doesn't have a door. Piece of shit.
Turn it on.
I'm gonna roast the shit out of the tires.
You're supposed to go easy. Here, let me talk to you.
Go.
Same way, dude. It almost did it, dude. It almost did it. That was close. It's traction control. Traction control.
Yeah, you gotta find it.
It's awesome. I don't know what the fuck traction control is called in the Mercedes. What's it called? Mercedes E500.
It has some power.
You're in reverse, pal.
I'm in reverse. We're about to.
Woo! Glue!
Holy shit!
Oh my god!
That wasn't even full throttle. Let's get on the main road. Okay?
That wasn't even full.
Oh shit!
This might want to buckle up because this it hit 80 like so quick.
What?
I'm telling you.
That's gnarly as fuck. That way.
That way?
This way.
Alright.
So we can just do a loop. Is that full?
No. Oh, okay. No first. Scoot. Oh.
That's 80 right there.
Scoot.
That's 90. Holy shit! Oh no! Fuck!
Nothing, dude.
Dude, that literally
Look,
felt.
we're just coasting.
That felt like fucking 30 miles an hour.
It feels.
It felt like we were not going
Look,
fast.
we're just going 80 right now. Cruising on the road. 80.
This thing is sick.
Yep. Trying to get a donut. See if it's open yet.
It's a dead.
Yeah. It says sport on the side. It might not.
Into the fucking.
Alright.
So I picked up a new car.
It doesn't make us strong, it doesn't make us weak. Tongue tied to service like shot.